Hello and welcome to this box break of 2018 Donruss Elite football cards. This is a hobby box. I purchased this hobby box off of eBay for $125. This box has 5 cards with 20 packs in there, and the hits for this box are 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia. Key rookies that we'll be looking for in this box are Baker Mayfield, Saquon Barkley, Sam Darnold, Josh Rosen, Calvin Ridley, Sony Michel, Lamar Jackson, Nick Chubb, and Kerryon Johnson. So let's get started. Alright, first pack. Alright. Ooh, these are nice. First time I've seen these. Okay, we've got a base Julio Jones. We have a base LaShawn McCoy. And we have a Josh Norman, numbered 165 to 299. If you guys can see that. Alright, we have a base Blake Bortles. And Samaje Perine. Alright. We have a base Leonard Fournette, a base Sam Bradford, and let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a double patch elite coverage Michael Thomas. It's a pretty good one. Next is Josh Brown in his Cleveland uniform. He's no longer with Cleveland. I believe he just caught a pass for the Patriots the other night, Thursday night. So, and a base Mitchell Trubisky. All right, we got Eli Manning base, DeAndre Hopkins base. A rookie elitist, Mark Andrews. Nice holographic card there. Tom Brady, that's always a good one. Base, and a Mike Evans base. All right. Got a Jimmy Garoppolo base, Amari Cooper base, a filler, and who is this? This is Trey Quinn, rookie card, 217 of 699, numbered elite card. There is Carson Wentz, he's back. That should be going up in value. And TJ Watt. All right, we have a base Von Miller, a base Christian McCaffrey, and this is rookie elite Joshua Jackson, number 285, number 73 of 85. So that's a pretty good pull. We have Terrell Suggs, base card, and Aaron Rodgers, base. All right, Des Bryant, J.J. Watt, another filler, awesome. Looks like we have a die cut, a number to 124 of Chandler Jones. See the 13 of 24. It's pretty good. Die cut, really nice card. Here's Teddy Bridgewater, who in his Minnesota uniform, who is now with the Jets. And we have Michael Thomas, base. All right, we have Clay Matthews, Frank Gore. Ooh, a spellbound Carson Wentz. Oh, that is a nice card. Check that out. Let's see. Oh, numbered. It is numbered to 299. It's a pretty good hit. Got a base Russell Wilson and a base Phillip Rivers. All right, here is a base Jared Goff, a base Joe Flacco, and my first pen pal, on-card autograph of Michael Gallup. Not sure. I'm pretty sure he's a rookie, but nice. All right. Here is a base Adam Thielen and a base Danny Amendola. All right, Marvin Jones Jr., Demaryius Thomas, and who do we have here? Myles Garrett hard hats. That's pretty good. Let's see. It is not numbered, but still not too shabby. A Derrick Henry and a Patrick Mahomes. This was last year. That would be awesome. We may find us a box of 2017 to open just to get his rookie card. All right, we got Andy Dalton, base. We got Jordan Howard, base. And, ooh, what is this? This is Case Keenum. I'll have to look and see what kind of card that is. It is some type of prism. And it is numbered to 99. Number 1 of 99. If you can see that. So, pretty good hit there. We have a base card of Gerald McCoy and Zach Ertz. No rookie hits yet. All right, Aaron Donald, Devontae Freeman. And this is Leighton Vander Esch, number 262, red variant. Pretty good. Odell Beckham Jr. base card, and Ben Roethlisberger base card. All right, we have Kelvin Benjamin base, Jalen Ramsey. Ooh, who's this? Captain Clutch, Derek Carr. Pretty cool. Not numbered, I don't believe. Let's see. Nope, not numbered. Oh well. All right, we have Tyrod Taylor. Just lost his job to Baker Mayfield. And Khalil Mack. All right, Tyreek Hill, Cam Newton, a filler card, and what do we have here? This is Elite Deck, Deshaun Watson. Interesting. It is not numbered. Pretty cool. Le'Veon Bell. Thanks, Le'Veon, for holding out since you were my #1 fantasy pick. Not cool, bro. And Doug Baldwin. All right. Larry Fitzgerald. AJ Green. And we got a numbered Prism, Russell Wilson, 2/99, number 4 of 99. So that's pretty good. It's a pretty good one. We have Devontae Adams, base, and Rob Gronkowski. Okay, Allen Robinson base, Kareem Hunt base. This is Christian Kirk rookie card number 2/699, number 648 of 699. Alshon Jeffrey base, and AJ McCarron base. Alright, so we have Dak Prescott, Todd Gurley, and this rookie card is Derek Nadi, and he is 271 of 699. We have Melvin Gordon base and Harrison Smith base. All right, Alex Collins base, Darius Slay, face to face, Vontaze Burfict and Antonio Brown. We have a Ryan Tannehill base and a Delaney Walker base. All right, Kirk Cousins. We have Alvin Kamara, Tennessee guy. And what do we have here? We have... Oh, here we go. This is a good one. Turn of the century. This is Sony Michel autograph to number 6 of 99. Very nice. Didn't think we were going to hit one. Finally got one. Very nice. Sony Michel. He's starting to pick up for the Patriots. I think he had a pretty good game there the other night. Alright, and the last two cards are Josh Norman and Myles Garrett. Alright, 2 more packs. Alright, we have Luke Kuechly, Ezekiel Elliott, another filler card, awesome. Alright, we have Primary Colors, Joey Bosa. Let's see, is it numbered? It is numbered. It is numbered to 299, 151 of 299. And it's embossed. You can't see, but it is embossed. Now you can see it a little bit there. And we have Richard Sherman, base, and Keenan Allen, base. Last pack. Alright, T.Y. Hilton, base. Alex Smith, base. Tidal Waves, Drew Brees. Let's see if it's numbered. It is not numbered. Still, pretty good looking card there. From the Super Bowl there. Alright, and we have Matt Ryan base and Jarvis Landry base. Alright, that is it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me for this box break. There'll be more to come. Hit at least one of the rookies we were looking for, so that's a good thing. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great night.